In the last XLM price prediction, I said we're gonna dump very strong, and we managed to weak out and take out these highs, these lows right here, where a lot of people had their stop losses. We almost managed to hit these ones, but yeah, it was still really good 2% trade. So the question is, what is going to happen now? I will not waste a second of your time, so let's start right away. Just hit the like button. If this video gets 10 likes, we'll do another one in the next few days. Right now on XLM, you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend, and we're definitely looking into keeping this momentum up. This is the daily chart, and something very important right here is price respecting these levels for a while, for a nice accumulation, but at any point price will either break out of this line or this line, and it almost did right here, and I feel like it's getting the right momentum. Basically it's mostly bullish momentum right here to go to the upside. So on the daily chart, we're kind of in between. We are looking for a breakout from this level to here, or a breakout from this level to here. We're very close to where the trend lines will touch, so we need to make a decision. On the 30-minute time frame though, on the shorter term time frame, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of liquidations here, because it's a cluster of highs, so there are huge odds that there's a lot of stop losses there. So we want to go ahead and see the layer 2 data, and yep, we have stop losses here, and basically below. So what we want to see is one of these two things happening. Ideally, what will happen is price pumps from here, we take short and we dump. This is the ideal scenario. But another option is we just buy here for a retest to the upside, maybe even to this level. So these are the two scenarios. I'm taking both of these trades. I've set up alerts here and here. If you want to follow my trades, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my signal chat. Right now we're up 275 grand on VOOX. If you want to find my learn more about my strategy, how I scalp on DEX Screener, I made my course just 97 bucks for a limited time, so check it out in the link in the description down below. Live with all my heart. See you next video. This video is no financial advice. Oh, also check out the link in the description down below to claim your 20% deposit bonus now, plus 10 to 100 bucks coupon code, just like that. See you next